we are going to do an unbagging, I don't know what you call it, from ZoeKim. Sent me some Molle Clip attachments for free for the review. Gotta stake that out there. Amazon link down below where you can get these. I'm not paid for this though, and I don't get any commission from the Amazon link. Anyway, these are from ZoeKim. Their Amazon link at this time does not say where they're manufactured, but it did ship to me out of Florida, so I'll say that. So, alright, got everything out of the package, packing slip, and here they are, the Molle Clip attachments from ZoeKim. These are a 3-inch, it says holster attachments. So they can be used for pew-pews or for, you know, knife sheaths or whatnot. We're going to put them on a couple things, attach them to a bag, shake it around, see what happens. All right. Nice packaging though. Okay. Here are the 2 clips. There's the hardware for it. Let's see if these clips say anything about where these are manufactured on it. Let's see. Come on, if I can get this thing open. I think I've never used these before. There we go. This one does not say where it was manufactured on it. What about this one? This one also does not say. But, hey, you know what? These feel... Gosh, my door's a little dirty. These do feel pretty solid, but again, let's see how they do. Yep, all right, we're gonna try this on the table because it's like 105 outside, so we're doing it inside again. All right. As of this video, the link down below will take you right to it. Again, as of this video, it is $13.99 for this set. All right, let's get this attached. This is my SC4 and the stock sheath for the SC4. All right, and of course, just took the blade out just for safety because you got to be safe, right? Right. Okay. Let's get these pieces together. All right. Oop. What did I do with my screwdriver? Oh, come on. This is just me being me, nothing to do with the quality of the product. Okay, there's the back, there's the screw. I'm going to do this next one. Alrighty, so I skipped ahead a little bit because my allergies didn't film me putting in most of these, but you know, fairly easy. Make sure we get it all tightened down. All right, there we go. So this is on the SC4. Let's see. I think if I pulled hard enough, I probably could bust that. But I mean, for average use, yeah, that definitely seems tough enough. Same with these clips. Like if you're really trying hard enough, you probably could break it. But just regular use, you're fine. Let's attach this to a pack. All right, got my Hidden Woodsman, older model Dayruck. guess that's what it is, a day ruck. Just as you do, slide them through there. Well, come on, this bottom one's a little tight. There we go. Oops, sorry. I moved the camera with the strap there. Alright, well, that's going to be about it. It's not going to be able to fit through the bottom one. That's okay. Alright. Goes connected. Got the knife in. Feels pretty solid. Not going to go walking around with it, because it says 105, but there it is. Alright, back inside. Let's see. Yep, still on there. Yeah, still on there solid. Let's go ahead, get these taken off. Move on to something really fun. Alright, now I'm going to see if they can fit on something a little more heavy than that SC4. So let's see how this works. So if anybody can guess what this sheath is to before I reveal it, you will earn 10,000 internet points. What those 10,000 internet points are redeemable for, well, that is not up to me. But I'd be impressed if somebody knows what this sheath is to before I reveal it. Okay, I'll let you all think about that while we check out some belts this could be compatible with. This is my Grip 6. Easy enough. I haven't worn this Grip 6 in a while. Here is my gun belt. $30 gun belt. I didn't even know it had a name on it. Let's see if this fits this. Ooh, I don't know. A thin leather belt, probably. Oh gosh. See, it's strapped down, but look at that. It is straining. But these gun belts are heavy and thick, so. Uh-oh. Did I? Oh, as I say, did I get it caught? There we go. And so, because that one had difficulty, I'm pretty sure my Stitched Gear Outfitter belt is not going to fit. This is a thick belt. Well, I'll be darned, it did. Oh, yeah, it does. It fits. And it is, again, stretched. But it fits. Golly, but yeah, that is... Ay. But hey, it fit. So, alright, let's reveal what this sheath is. Or maybe I shouldn't say Okay, I dropped it. Or maybe I shouldn't say sheath, but rather scabbard. The APOC broadsword. Fits that too. Alright, so it's APOC broadsword. Let's go ahead and get this grip 6 belt in since it fit the best. There we go. Just, you know, as you see, just shake it around. This doesn't seem like it's popping open. Alright, so this APOC sword comes in weighing at, well, I don't know exactly at, but it's over 2 pounds. And after all my shenanigans with the backpack and the sword, as you can see, they do not appear to be warped. That is good. And they seem to be, yeah, sturdy enough. So, yeah, check them out. You know, they might work for you. Seem to be working just fine for me. Anyway, again, thank you, ZoeKim, for sending me these out. Again, link down below. Thank you again to ZoeKim. Didn't pay anything for these. They sent them to me for free for review. Anyway, remember, get outside, enjoy life. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment. Check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.